like your shoes. Lainey! Pix, your biscuits are falling off. Hi! Are you in a sweater? Hey, man. Hello, good people. It is December 24th, Christmas Eve. This is the first time I've actually shown my face in this vlog so far. I just wanted to make a combined festive Christmas vlog of Christmas Eve and then Christmas with both sides of my family and just everything like that. I am a bit obsessed with Chamberlain coffee, so you know. I ordered a tester pack of the deep cold brew. So that's what I am drinking. It's about 6. We haven't done much today. Actually, I did do a lot. I got a whole vlog edited and uploaded. I finished laundry and have been putting that away. And late last night I was up wrapping, but I still have some more to do. So we'll see if I either do that late tonight or tomorrow, but we're about to go over to my aunt and uncle's to spend time with them and my cousins. We're in a bit of a predicament. We haven't left the house for a few days because the Midwest has been swept with crazy snow and wind and blizzard conditions, and it's ice with a bunch of snow on top with a bunch of wind. So we've been in red travel advisory for the last few days. So hopefully we can get to where we're going tonight. Fun fit. This is my favorite Christmas sweater. It's Friends, and it's got coffee cups and everything on it because Central Perk, and then my earrings, little coffee cups too. I was also supposed to have a hair appointment a few days ago, but that got canceled because of the storm. So, you know, we're working with what we have. I was excited to have it touched up before Christmas and New Year's and everything like that, but we're hanging in there. There are worse things that could have happened, and let's just see what the rest of this vlog has in store. Woo! Dad.
Yeah.
The documentary about
What are you talking about? Yeah. Dad's just sharing his love of the new Harry and Meghan series, apparently, which I had no clue about.
such a weird thing to be having.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It would bring.
How are you?
Stop.
I'm gonna put you over here.
That looks like a what?
We'll put that here. Not my chin, not my crop. I'm trying to see. No, it's small.
Hi, Bunny.
I can move.
I can move.
Yeah. This is Pixon's half-brother.
Hey, Jazz.
Ready to go.
We are gonna say Merry Christmas.
No!
Yeah?
Don't do that! Take it back!
Merry Christmas, Dan. How do you feel?
I feel good, real good.
You're in the same sweatshirt you've been wearing the last 3 days.
I'm actually changing today.
That's good.
Going on Thursdays.
We got the fuzzy slippers and the striped pajama set. Merry Christmas, Louie. Hi, guys. Merry Christmas.
Lexi.
Lexi, Merry Christmas.
So pretty.
Pixie, are you so happy? Did you have chicken already? 1 second, I'm getting coffee.
Can I get coffee?
I also want.
In my special Santa mug.
They're all kind of either one sounds good. It smells like Christmas in here. I love bacon so much.
I probably would eat this plated food in about an hour and a half.
Who's steak with booze?
Mine. I've had those since middle school.
You have?
Yeah.
Good casserole run, bud.
Oh, they
They're
Shocking.
smart pot.
Smart poop.
Wow! A Christmas word, sir!
Take that on an airplane, see what happens to you.
Why don't you take this for stocking stuff?
Lainey! Do they glow?
The hot cocoa's on.
Christmas eggnog! I'm putting a shot of espresso in it, so we'll see how this goes. It's the Califia plant-based eggnog. It's very delicious. This is my first time having it. Hey Pixie, did you guys get Christmas toys? Is Lexi stealing them all? Yeah! I'm sorry. You'll get your chance. Gotta have some good old Frank on this Christmas day. I always get a little sad on Christmas because it's the end of my Christmas records. Love it.
It was Lauren's Jordan birthday.
Hey Dad, I like your shoes.
Oh, thanks.
We're twinning. Dad, what's your outfit check?
Well, I got my Christmas sweater on. I got my Christopher James Page jeans on.
Oh.
I got my elf socks on from Stance. Jordan Boston Browns on. I got my Travis Matthew Christmas hat.
Wow. To do my fit check. It's my last chance. It's already gone. Make sure it's in focus.
Okay, Laura.
The last chance to wear my Christmas Mickey. I guess not. I can wear it whenever I want to just feel a little warm inside. White shirt, Levi jeans that came from Lainey's closet to mine.
Oh.
Lost and found, I guess.
Oh, she got those for her 23
Yeah.
from somebody that likes Jordan. I don't know who that would have been.
That's it.
That's it?
Feeling very festive. Oh wait. I've got little Rudolph earrings.
Oh, okay. Are we good?
Lainey doesn't want to share, but she's looking nice.
She's got on her.
Merry Christmas! Macklin, you're just so excited for Christmas.
Happy dude!
Hey, buddy! Whoa, look at him go.
Oh boy.
Is he coming back? Here he comes! Here he comes! Mackie! Mackie! Oh.
You're fine. You sure?
Yeah. Brand new though, aren't they?
Yeah, they'll all.
Lainey's got big
I'm gonna
fat
stretch
shoes.
you.
They gotta be broken in.
Whoa.
Do they work?
My
I even had
goodness.
the toe things in them and the wood things, and, you know, that come in. So
Stretched.
oh yeah, I put all my shoes. Danny gets his thing for
Narrow
keeping
feet.
his shoes in. My shoes are all in boxes. I know exactly the way I line them up for the summer and for the winter. They are. Everything in my
Zach.
okay.
Whoa.
Hey, Blake!
Go out and
Show
show
him.
I'm gonna go show Blake.
Look at my new kicks.
Hey Blake, look what I finally got.
Don't think I killed
Grandma's got some
Yes, here they are, really.
Wow, Grandma.
Grandma, you are stylish.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
I gotta
Those are good on Grandma. Those are bedazzled velour suits.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, people! It is December 26th, but the Christmas spirit has not left us. We have
go back to
our
work.
second family Christmas tonight. And I talked my dad into escorting me to get some perishable food items for a Christmas present because I couldn't get it a few days ago because of the snowstorm.
I just have to get out of the house to maintain my sanity.
Yeah.
With the weather and everything, we didn't leave the last couple of days, and everything was closed.
Catch you later. Got Christmas round 2. I'm trying really hard at the moment to get my family to sit down for a Christmas picture. But I wanted to do a fun little fit check, even though you can't really see too well. My sweater dress, just got a cute little mock neck, is from Abercrombie & Fitch. Abercrombie has been killing the game lately. It's become like one of my top favorite stores to shop from. At the moment, just this little belt from Target to add some more detail and some more shape to the dress, and then fun little tights and these Steve Madden chunky boots. We're going for comfort here because we're just going to my grandparents' house, and I know we're all gonna just take our shoes off anyways. And then just a little ponytail. I'm feeling it. Pixie, what's your fit check? You got your red little sweaters? Yeah? Alright. Merry Christmas, puppies. Just realized I was out of focus that entire last clip, but I'm sorry. Hopefully you get the point and my perfectionist self can live with it. It's snowing! White Christmas Part 2. Love it. Aw.
Just about slow.
I'm not cheersing Lauren because I'm still mad about the last
Cheers.
time.
You did that to me. I should be the one mad at you.